This bad boy right here is an Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch. Hey guys, Kayla here from Watchgang, and today I'm going to do a little quick unboxing for a watch that one of our lucky Watchgang members received off thewheel.com after purchasing a $365 spin. Thewheel.com is a great way to buy a new watch and have the chance to get something even better, such as a tagheuer, an Omega, or even other great girl watches like a Rolex. This bad boy right here is an Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch. The presentation alone is quite spectacular. This display is insane. Nice padded case. This watch isn't going to move at all. And here you go. Inside is your Speedmaster. This comes with a little jewelry loop so you can actually look at all the fine details on this watch. In this little pouch right here, you have two additional straps. You have a NATO strap and you also have an astronaut strap. Then it comes with a changing tool and an extra spring bar so you can change it yourself. There's also a couple little features about this particular Omega. It comes with a Hesalite crystal, a second subdial, a 30-minute recorder, a 12-hour recorder, and a central chronograph hand. In the back of this incredible case, you also have your warranty card. You have an extra little wallet that you can use for whatever you want. It also comes with the instruction manual and the book highlighting the adventures of the Speedmaster. And it's pretty cool. So if you wanna, try your luck, just head on over to thewheel.com and happy spinning. Okay.